Are you in the market to purchase a home and you have no idea what the mortgage requirements are for a first-time home buyer? Hi, my name is Faiza. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty. In today's video, I will be having a conversation with Maria Salvino. She is a mortgage broker and she will be talking about some of the things that first-time home buyers need to know. So without further ado, let's go listen to our chat with Maria Salvino. Hi guys, today I am here with Maria Salvino. She's a mortgage agent and I'm actually going to just let her introduce herself. And Maria, go ahead, tell us a little bit about you and what do you do, and then I'll start with my questions.
Hi, Faiza. Thank you very much. My name is Maria. I'm a mortgage agent with Zillow Mortgages. I've been a mortgage agent now for just over 2 years. And what kind of got me into this is just over 2 years ago, I purchased my first investment property. And being a single mom, not knowing, like how financing was going to work at the time, I had a really good broker that I kind of shadowed and always kind of admired. And him just showing me, like how it was possible and what to do in the process of doing everything just made me feel like, my goodness, like I want to do this for people and help people. And ever since then, I knew I wasn't going to stop there. They always say, once you buy one, you always want to buy more. And from there, I bought in Cornell. And it's just, I decided to take my course and now I'm helping so many people and I enjoy it. And it's something I love doing.
That's awesome. And you are based out of Markham, correct?
I'm in Markham, yes.
Okay. But you would, so just to understand, you don't just deal with people that are living in that area. You can deal with pretty much anyone?
I deal with all over. Yes, definitely. Oh. Actually, I'm working on one right now. Pre-approval, actually, getting pre-approval for, they're purchasing an investment property out in Calgary.
Oh, okay.
Really deal with all over. Okay. That's the benefit of dealing with me.
Okay. Awesome. So I'll just get right into it. I don't want this to be very long. I want it to be very concise and very valuable to everybody who's listening to or watching us. So my first question to you, Maria, is what are some of the benefits that are available to our first-time home buyers?
So there's the tax credit where you can get up to $750. And you can claim that on your tax year that you bought the house. Another benefit is you can pull out of your RRSPs up to $35,000 and you have up to 15 years to pay that.
Okay.
And afterwards, there's the land transfer tax where you can claim up to $4,000. And that you can claim that up to 18 months of receiving that money when you purchase a house. So there's definitely a lot of benefits for first-time home buyers right now.
Okay, so I think I should have asked this question earlier, but what defines a first-time home buyer?
First-time home buyers are people that, first-time home buyers, somebody that has just purchased a home, that has never purchased a home before.
Okay. All right. And again, going back to the beginning, how does it all start? Like, where do you actually first step in?
So basically, it's all based on an application. It starts with an application. You fill out the application. Once an application is filled out, automatically you will receive an email with documents that are needed. For instance, employed people will require 2 pieces of government ID, 2 pay stubs, most recent pay stubs, a job letter, and 2 years of notice of assessments.
Okay.
Once that, and I gather up all the documents, that's where I can get your pre-approval letter, issue it to you, and that's when you can start shopping with your realtor. That will determine how much you are eligible for to go out and look at the homes that you're looking for and how much you can afford.
Yeah, and that's a very important step, wouldn't you think?
Absolutely. Well, that's the thing, right? Nobody wants to waste any time. You don't want to go out and look for a $1.5 million home and all you qualify for is $800,000.
Yeah.
It's just, you don't want to do that. And you don't want to get your dreams up high and love a home, but yet you can't afford that home, right? You want to
Yeah.
stay within your expectations.
Okay, sounds good. All right. My next question for you is, um, quickly give us an idea as to why somebody should be looking into dealing with you versus a bank. For example, what do you do versus a bank?
So basically, when you're with a mortgage agent, I pull your credit score once. And I take it to lenders which will suit or which is best for you, as opposed to you going to a bank. They pull your credit score and then you go to another bank. You go to TD first and then you go to BMO second, then pulling your credit score again. That's going to impact your credit score, and that's not what you're looking for, right? Where myself, I just pull it once. I take it to the lender that I would think is best suited for you, and we start the process from there.
Okay. Okay. It was great information, and I'm hoping that we can continue a couple more of these series so our clients can learn more about the mortgage process, refinancing, and all the good stuff that comes with a mortgage broker. And thank you again, and we'll keep in touch, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Faiza. Thank you so much for having me, and I look forward to talking to you again.